Hi, welcome to Nick Well Motorhomes. I'm Andy, and today I have something really quite special to show you because this is a genuine one of a kind. Now, anybody who's aware of the Auto-Sleeper Custom Air will know if it's not the best spec day van on the market, it comes very close to. The only thing that's ever been put against it is it's perhaps not that sexy. Wow, we have decided to make it sexy. Now, I grant you, sex is in the eye of the beholder, but for us, this is just an idea on the things you can do. Go on, Dan, show them. So this is our sexy Custom Air. Now, as you can see, we've added the larger alloy wheels and the black and the chrome. Now, as I said, the Air comes incredibly well spec'd anyway, so you've got front sensors here. We've also taken away the plain forward front grille and we've added the Raptor grille. But you'll also notice we've added these LEDs in here which work with your daytime running lights, just to make it a little more sexier. Now, we decided on the Baltic orange because the Baltic orange is a lovely colour, and again, it works with what we're trying to do. But you can, this is just to give you an idea on what you can do with an Air. There's a lot more you can do. We decided on these alloys. We think it works brilliantly with the Baltic orange because you've got the clash with the black windows as well. Underneath here, you will see you've got fresh and wastewater tank drains, and you've got your electric hookup point. As I said, the Custom Air is incredibly well spec'd. As we come around the rear, again, you've got the privacy glass. Rear sensors, you've also got a rear camera, so very safe then when we open up the rear. Now, one of the beauties of the Air is the fact of this seat, which you can see when we go inside, you can bring it right forward if you want a lot of boot space, or you can bring it right the way back. Just here we have your double USB, which is just a pop-up. We've got your awning brace. Just inside there, you'll see you've got your external shower. That's your tabletop for inside. We've got more storage in here and here. Again, storage, and then you'll see you've got your boom arm there for your table inside as well. Tabletop. More storage just downside there. As we come round, let's pop that down. We've got your awning. Now, also on the roof, you've got your solar panel. Again, I go back to the fact of how well spec'd it is. I want you just to have a look at that side with the alloy wheels as well. It gives it a completely different look from your average Custom Air. You add that with the front grille and you'd think that would be enough, but it's not. Because what we've also done, your average Custom Air has a velour upholstery. It's incredibly comfortable and it works for a lot of people. Doesn't necessarily work for others. So we've decided to put this dark grey and light grey leatherette inside. Now, it's very practical because it wipes down and it gives the van, again, a completely different look. Now, as we go inside, you can see how well it actually is spec'd because you've got your grille just here. A lot of day vans don't have that. You've got your hobs, you've got your sink, which you'd expect. You've also got Webesto diesel heating, which you might not. And there are USBs aplenty. Down there, you've got your step switch. You've also got your double USB and a 230 volts. 230 volts up here, more USBs, more storage behind here. We've got your fridge, which is locked at the moment. There we go, just there. We've got more storage under here, and of course you've also got your porta potty just in there as well. Now, like I said, the beauty with this is this seat can move backwards and forwards where you want it to go, which I'll show in a second. But I don't want to go away from doing the cab first of all, because we've got this media center, which is DAB. It's also got your nav inside, and again, you can link it to your Bluetooth. We've got your automatic gearbox. With it being a Ford, you've got your cab air conditioning, you've got your heated front screen. It's incredibly well spec'd. Obviously, captain seats both swivel. Now, like I say, with this, it's great because you just pull these clips out here, and then with the bar, you can move this backwards and forwards where you want it to go, which I'm going to show you in a second. But before we do that, I'm going to pop the roof because this is take 5 travel seats. It's got 4 berths. Now, I've already undone the clips, so I will pop that up. We have a double bed just up here, and it is very comfortable. And then, of course, we can slide this up, which gives us loads and loads of room. And even somebody at my magnificent 5'6" has got plenty of headroom. Now, as we were saying with the bed, we can slide this forward, and it's about as easy a makeup bed as I've seen in the market. You literally flip, you turn, you have this handle just here, that drops down, that slots into there, push it down, and hey presto, there's your bed. Now, we're not saying you have to have this upholstery. If you want pink with blue spots, we can have a word with the people who upholster and we can do these things. It's trying to give you an idea on what you can do with a custom air. It doesn't have to be the van that you see on the forecourt. You can make it sexy. So, hopefully you found this really informative. If not, well, we do try our best. And keep an eye out for future videos from us at Nick Motorhomes.